My name is Devesh Samantrai, mentor for career in Army, Navy, Air Force, Bank, Railway, SSC and other state and central government services. There is a good news and very important news for all the competitive warriors. The central government recently coined two terms. First one is NRA and second one is CET. So what is NRA and what is CET? So according to Government of India, it will be a game changer for the youths, those who are interested in government jobs, especially Group B and Group C. So what is NRA? National Recruitment Agency. And what is CET? Common Eligibility Test. The Cabinet has recently approved to set up NRA or National Recruitment Agency. Now what is the job of National Recruitment Agency? The job of National Recruitment Agency is to conduct a common test for banking, railway and SSC. So there is a complete transformation in the selection procedure. So all the Group B and Group C non-technical vacancies will be covered under CET. CET stands for Common Eligibility Test. And these common eligibility tests are of three categories, that is after 10th, after plus 2 and after plus 3. Again, there are three types of jobs and services are there in banking, SSC and railway sector. Some posts are there, you are eligible after 10th. Some vacancies are there, the minimum qualification is plus 2. Some vacancies are there, minimum qualification is plus 3. So under these three categories, a common entrance test will be conducted. And what are the other features according to newspaper? Okay, they will issue certificates or mark sheets that is valid for 3 years. That is valid for 3 years. Yearly 2-time exams will be there and you can appear up to the upper age limit. Means you can appear up to the upper age limit. Yearly there will be 2 exams. Next is, it is a type of screening test. Screening test. So suppose 100 students appear the exam and only 5% they will be qualifying the exam and will appear for the tests. Out of 20 recruitment agencies of central government, 3 are included, that is IBPS, SSC and railway. Now the data will be shared with the state governments and also other private agencies. So that certificate is not only valid for central government. Obviously, if central government issues a certificate, then it has some value and it can be utilized by state governments and other private agencies also. Then other features. Okay, total number of vacancies or total number of posts will be around 1.25 lakhs. It may also increase. Now, next, it is affordable for all the candidates. the government target to set up testing centers every state headquarter, every district headquarter. The government plans to set up testing centers where online test will be conducted in every district headquarters. Then next, transparent and corruption free system. There will be transparency, and we hope that this system will be corruption free. So every year, for 1.25 lakhs of vacancies in Group C and Group D, there will be a common screening test. Once you qualify that screening test, then you are eligible to apply all the three departments, like in banking, in railways and in SSC. First, you have to qualify this CET, then according to your qualification, you can apply for various posts, and your certificate is valid for 3 years. For consecutive 3 years, you can apply for various posts in bank, railway and SSC according to your qualification. But first, you have to clear CET. CET is must if you want to make a career in banks, railways or SSC. So I hope the government intention is very clear. There will be a separate recruiting agency for Group B and Group C post, means there will be increase in the number of posts. At least we can hope that there will be more and more recruitment. That is why the recruitment process is being transformed and there is reform in the recruitment system. I hope all the competitive warriors will get immense benefit from this new recruitment policy of Government of India. Thank you very much.